We're learning new details about an alleged sexual assault by a former Mission Hospital paramedic. Tonight, the victim says that she thinks the hospital may have tried to cover up her complaint. Police arrested the former paramedic Tou Lee Tuesday. He's accused of sexually assaulting the woman in the back of an ambulance. News 13's Frank Fraboni's been investigating. This allegedly happened in August, Frank. Why did it take so long for an arrest?
Well, Larry, we've learned the victim and the detective ran into roadblocks when trying to get answers. But after a magistrate issued this warrant in December, the detective says he found the evidence he needed to make a case.
On August 10th, the victim, a 20-year-old woman who we've chosen not to identify, was transported from Mission Hospital to St. Joseph's by ambulance. Police say that's when 43-year-old Tou Lee began fondling the patient in the back of the ambulance.
Officers that day went to Mission and met with her and then heard the complaint.
According to a search warrant, the victim stated Lee began touching and squeezing her private areas.
The hospital did an internal investigation.
Investigators say the case took time because of the difficulty getting information from the hospital. The warrant states an attorney for the hospital told the detective, quote, his client would not share pertinent information regarding an ongoing criminal investigation with Detective Olson. The attorney also told the detective his client would not release those documents even if served with a search warrant.
The victim did not want to speak with us on camera, but she believes the hospital may have been trying to cover up her allegation. She's now speaking with an attorney and considering legal action.
The detective first wrote a search warrant requesting the personnel file for the suspect.
With pressure from the district attorney, police eventually got that file last month. They also learned this wasn't the first complaint against Lee, who was accused of sexually assaulting another female patient in 2012 while transporting her from Mission Hospital to a hospital in Wake Forest. Police say Lee's personnel file and the hospital's own investigation were key.
Yes, the documents that Detective Olson received did help corroborate a lot of the information which led to the charges on the suspect.
The hospital released this statement in response. Although this individual is no longer a Mission employee, at Mission Health does not comment publicly on personnel actions, and they say they can't comment specifically about the patient care, but took this allegation seriously and took appropriate action. Lee is now free on bond pending a court date next month in Buncombe County.